Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my gluten-free basil cream biscuits. These are so simple to make. They are so soft and fluffy, very versatile, and everybody will love them. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make them. We start with gluten-free all-purpose flour blend. I'm using mine, of course, and I'm adding to that baking powder and salt, along with cracked black pepper and chopped fresh basil. These are a savory spin on biscuits, and I absolutely love them. Just mix this together until combined. I was given this recipe years and years ago by a chef at Johnson & Wales when the Johnson & Wales near here used to offer classes to the public, and I took every single one of those classes. These blew me away, and I've been making them ever since. In fact, if you've ever made my gluten-free cream biscuits, which I'll leave a link for above, this recipe is where those biscuits came from. So we add the heavy cream, all of it, to our bowl and just mix it up until it's all combined, well combined. And you're going to be left with a rather wet dough, which you want because gluten-free flours are notorious for soaking up extra liquid. So if we start with a wetter dough, we'll have a nice soft biscuit in the end. So just pile this up on a lightly floured surface, and we're going to pat it into a small like square or rectangle, but we're eventually going for a square. The chef who gave us this recipe years ago, he made small square biscuits, and this is just something that I've kind of stuck with ever since. I've made these for parties as an appetizer in this small shape, but you can also make them larger. You can make them round if you want. I'm just cutting these into very small, like 1 inch by 1 inch, essentially cubes, and I'm going to break them apart and place them on a parchment lined baking sheet. You can also, if you want to, leave them kind of together where their sides are touching, and they will all like kind of have the soft-sided biscuit effect. Or if you put them apart like this, they're going to have a crunchier biscuit side. Either way will work. So we're going to brush these with melted butter and get them in a 425-degree oven to bake for about 12 to 13 minutes for the smaller ones, and a little bit longer if you make larger ones. And look at these, you guys. These are always a hit at a party. You can serve them like sandwich style, little mini sandwiches with ham goes really well in these, and Dijon mustard, or even strawberry jam, because basil and strawberries are a well-known pair that go well together. I like them with just the butter on them. They are so soft, so tender, and incredibly easy, minimal ingredients. Everyone will love them. Enjoy!